That is the motion sensor. That's the doorbell. Here's the doorbell button, and you can hear it quite clearly in the house. This sensor, I built a block around it to hide the sun and try and keep the mangy orange cat from pestering it. Here's the motion sensor in the shed. By the time they open the door, the light comes on and they're caught. Typical door switch. When the magnet moves away, you get a flashing light and an audible alarm. The sound of the alarm. You can't see this motion sensor, it's in the corner. When you open the door, it catches your legs and trips every time. The motion sensor on the back driveway is 525 feet from where I stand and has to reach the receiver in the front of the house. Works every time.